Hi, cool kids. I hope you are happy every day, and welcome to our exciting video lesson all about vegetables. Do you know what makes vegetables so important for us? Well, today we're going to explore just that. From leafy greens to crunchy roots, we'll learn how these amazing plants help us stay healthy and strong. Okay, let's get started.
Cool kids happy.
And the first one is potato.
Potato,
Yes, right, potato. The next is tomato.
tomato,
Yes, right, tomato. And this is eggplant.
eggplant,
Yes, right, eggplant. This is cabbage.
cabbage,
Yes, right, cabbage. And now, show me, which one is the cabbage?
this is cabbage.
Good, cool kids.
Thank you.
The next vegetable is radish.
Radish,
You are right, radish. The next is onion.
onion,
You are so smart. Yes, this is onion. This one is almost the same as an onion, but it's not. It's garlic.
garlic,
Yes, right, garlic. And this is bitter gourd.
bitter,
Bitter gourd, kid.
oh, bitter gourd.
And now, my turn to ask you, which one is the radish?
This is a radish.
Good job, honey. You are so smart.
Thank you.
And the next vegetable is lady's finger.
Lady's finger,
Yeah, right. Good. And this is cauliflower.
cauliflower,
Right, cauliflower. This is pumpkin.
pumpkin,
Yes, right, pumpkin. The next is carrot.
carrot.
Yes, right, carrot. Now, show me please, which one is the carrot?
This is a carrot.
Wow, you are so smart.
Thank you.
This is ginger.
Ginger,
Yes, right, ginger. And this tastes spicy.
what is this?
This is chili.
Chili,
Yeah, right. And the other one is slightly spicy as well. This is paprika.
paprika,
Yes, paprika. This is leafy green vegetable, spinach.
spinach.
Yes, honey, spinach. And now, show me, which one is spinach?
This is spinach.
Well done, kid.
Thank you.
The next vegetable is mushroom.
Mushroom,
Right, mushroom. This is beetroot.
beetroot.
Yes, right, beetroot. And the next one is cucumber.
Cucumber,
Good, cucumber. And this is broccoli.
broccoli.
Yes, broccoli. Now, show me, which one is broccoli?
This is broccoli.
You are right, this is broccoli. And this is asparagus.
Asparagus,
Right, asparagus. This is corn.
corn.
Good, corn. This is celery.
Celery,
Nice, This is celery. This is green bean.
Green bean.
Yes, this is green bean. Now, show me, which one is celery?
This is celery.
Brilliant, honey.
Thank you.
And this is peas.
Peas.
Yes, peas. This is ash gourd.
Ash gourd.
Yes, ash gourd. This is bok choy.
Bok choy.
Right, bok choy.
This is chayote.
chayote,
Yes, chayote.
Now, show me, which one is bok choy?
This is bok choy.
Good job.
Thanks.
This is ridged gourd.
Ridged gourd.
Yes, ridged gourd. This is sweet potato.
Sweet potato.
Right, sweet potato. This is yam.
This is yam.
Yes, right, yam. And the last one is kohlrabi.
Kohlrabi.
Right, kohlrabi. The last question, show me, which one is sweet potato?
This is sweet potato.
Congratulations, you know it all now.
Thank you for today, and please watch my other videos. Bye bye.